Hey everybody, today is January 29th. I'm Mr. Sheridan. This is Earth Science for today. Hope you're all having a great day. Looking forward to the weekend. We are going to continue working on our civilizations project today. So what I would like for all of you to do when you go into your Google Classroom and click on classwork, you have a new question posted in there under week 22 that you need to answer today. So what I'm asking for you to do before you are allowed to leave class, you need to do the research and figure out which human civilization you are. Let's view the question here so we can see it. Which human civilization are you using to relate to your fictional civilization? So if you have let's go back to our main question here. So I want to know what ancient civilization, or it doesn't have to be ancient, what civilization that has happened throughout human history are you relating to your fictional one? So I want you to do that for all three of those sections that your civilization is affected by. So how is the way that your civilization affected by the climate? How is that similar to an actual civilization from human history? How is the way that your civilization is affected by natural hazards similar to a civilization from human history? And how is the way that your civilization affected by natural resources, the ones that are available or not available to them, how is that similar to a civilization from human history? So I want you to answer all three of those questions. This is the bugaboo that I think a lot of people are going to do. If you're going to forget something to include in this presentation, it's going to be this stuff. So you don't have to have this completely worked out, flushed out, ready to go, but I need you to understand, and I want you to list and answer in this question before you leave class today. You need to know which ancient civilizations or which human civilizations you are going to use to relate to your civilization's climate, natural hazards, and natural resources. So that's what we're going to be working on today. You need to be in class until you at least have that done. I will also be available if you want to share the link to your presentation. I'm happy to look at it, give you some pointers, just point you in the right direction. If you've got too much text on each slide, I can tell you that very quickly. If you don't have enough images, if your backgrounds are solid white, those are the things that maybe you aren't thinking about all the time. If you need more images, if you're not telling your story correctly, I'm happy to help with all those. All you need to do is send me a link to your presentation and I can give you notes. Right now, this is still planning to be due on Monday. If I see a whole lot of work being done and folks are still struggling to get caught up with that, we could extend that date. Right now, I am still planning on that being on Monday. There's a lot of people that aren't very far with this project, but that does not have to do with the fact that you've been working on it and being diligent about it. It's due to the fact that you haven't done those things, and therefore we're not moving the date back because you haven't done the things that you needed to do during class. So on Monday, this will be due. We will be able to work on it in class on Monday, but it's going to be due on Monday, and then we're moving on and getting some other stuff done. So hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Hang around in class until you get that question answered, and then go to work. Make sure that this thing is all done, ready to go, and then you can just kind of cross it off your list and be done for Monday. Hope everybody has a great day and a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.